Hello everyone, welcome with a new topic of civil engineering, strength of material for the suggestion of WHPSC-JE 2023. I will provide 25 MCQ questions with their answer. So watch the video and note down the question answer as you wish. The shear force at the ends of a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length is. The correct answer is option C, WL by 2 at one end and WL by 2 at other end. Next question. The shear force diagram for a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length consists of. The correct answer is option B, two right-angled triangle. The point of contraflexures occur in. Option C, overhanging beam. The shear force diagram of a cantilever beam of length L carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length will be. Right answer is option A, right-angled triangle. Next question. The shear force and bending moment at zero at the free end of a cantilever beam if it carries a. Right answer is option C, uniformly distributed load over the whole length. Next question is the bending moment of a cantilever beam of length L carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length is what at the fixed end? The correct answer is option D, WL square by 2. Question. The shear force diagram for a cantilever beam of length L and carrying a gradually varying load from 0 to 0 at the free end and W per unit length at the fixed end is a. Right answer is in option C, inclined line. Next question is the bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam loaded in its center is. Right answer is option B, an isosceles triangle. The shear force at the center of a simply supported beam with a gradually varying load from 0 at the both ends of W per meter at the center is. Right answer is option A, 0. Next question. When shear force at a point is 0, then bending moment is what at that point? Right answer is option C, maximum. The next question is the section modulus Z of a beam is given by. Right answer is option A, I by Y. The next question is the section modulus of a rectangular section about an axis through its CG is. Right answer is option D, BD square by 6. Next question is the section modulus of a circular section about an axis through its CG is. Right answer is option D, pi d cube by 32. For a given stress, the ratio of moment of resistance of a beam of square cross section when placed with its two sides horizontal to the moment of resistance with its diagonal horizontal is. Right answer is option D, root 2. A square beam and a cantilever beam have the same length, same allowable stress and the same bending moment. The ratio of width of its square beam to the cantilever beam is. Right answer is option C, 1 by 1.2. Next question. When a cantilever beam is loaded at its free end, the maximum compressive strength shall develop at. Right answer is option A, bottom fiber. Next question is a beam of uniform strength may be obtained by. Right answer is option D, any of the above. If the depth is kept constant for a beam of uniform strength, then its width will vary in proportional to. Right answer is option A, M, where M is bending moment. The next question is a beam of uniform strength has. Right answer is option B, same bending stress at every section. The next question is the bending stress in a beam is what bending moment. The right answer is option D, directly proportional to. The next question is the neutral axis of a beam is subjected to dash stress. Right answer is option A, 0. Next question. The neutral axis of a transverse section of a beam passes through the center of gravity of the section and is. Right answer is option D, at right angle to the place in which the beam bends. Next question. In a beam subjected to pure bending, the intensity of stress in any fiber is dash the distance of the fiber from the neutral axis. Right answer is option D, directly proportional to. Next question. When a rectangular beam is loaded transversely, the maximum tensile stress is developed on the. Right answer is option A, top layer. The last question. When a rectangular beam is loaded transversely, the maximum compressive stress is developed on the. Right answer is option B, bottom layer. That is all the 25 questions I have discussed. I will give more question on the strength of material topic and all the topic, all the syllabus WHPSC. So get in touch by subscribing my channel, share it with your friends and like the video. Thank you.